Hello, welcome once again. Welcome back. So today we are going to solve this problem. Best time to buy and sell stock. This is the easy problem in the array section maybe. So, but I am bit frustrated because I am not getting adequate likes or shares or views. So if I don't get like, share, views or subscribers, then I will not find any interest to continue these videos. But I have a plan to continue 1000 video. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and increase the watch time and share with your friends and families and fellow coders. That's why I will be motivated and continue the videos. Okay. So if you give you more views, like, share, and subscribes, then definitely I will increase the numbers. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So let's explain what is happening over here. So this is a you need to buy some shares, like this is for Saturday, this is for Sunday, this is for Monday, this is for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So you are must to buy on day. There is a conditions over here. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy on a stock and choosing a different day. You have to buy it on day and sell it in a different day and return the maximum profit. So if I buy it my stock, you need to have basic understanding of stock sales. Okay, so if you buy a stock or scrap item $7, and in the next day if you sell it $1, definitely you'll be a loser of $6 because the price is low. So if you buy it $1 and sell it next day $5, you will be a gainer of $4. So by this way, you have to find out which is the maximum profit. Okay, so let's explain the details. So this is the code. Here we are declaring two variables, minimum and maximum. And for minimum, we are taking a use number by this max safe integers. It is giving a use number for safety purpose. You can go max safe integers JavaScript and learn big detail about that. This is giving a huge number. So initially what is happening? Initially we are declaring, initializing two variables and iterating the loops and running a loops. Okay. So in the first loops, what is happening? First loop, this number is 7. Okay. So current price is 7. So current price is 7. What does it mean? So minimum will be mean. Mean is coming from here. So mean is a huge number. It's comparing with price, first price. It is 7. Okay. So among this huge number and 7 is minimum. It is doing max math min. It will find out the minimum number. So minimum will 7. Okay. And it will update. Minimum will be 7 instead of that. And what is max? Max will be, initially max is 0. So I am writing 0 over here. And current price minus minimum. So current price is 7 minus mean is 7. So it's 0. So among 0 and 0, it is becoming 0. Okay, in the second iteration, the number is now 1. Okay, so for 1, what is happening? So from previous iteration, we're getting minimum is 7. So in between 7 and 1, 1 is minimum. So it is updating 1. And what is max? Max is becoming, max is still 0. You see, max is still 0. And current price is 1 minus min is 1. So among 1 minus 1, in between 2 0, it is becoming 1. Okay. Okay, if you don't understand, let me know with the comment, then I will make you understand. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in the second iteration, what is happening? Now the number is 5. So among 5, mean is happening 1, mean is 1. Okay, In between 1 and 5, 1 is minimum, and max is becoming, max is still now 0. You see, max is 0, max is 0, max is 0. So max is 0, and the current number, this is the current number, minus mean is 1. So in between 0 and 4, 4 will become maximum. So up to 4 iteration, the maximum profit is 4. So let's go for fourth iteration. So fourth iteration, mean and current price. So mean is coming from here, mean is 1 and current price is 3. So in between 1 and 3, 1 is minimum, and max is 4. Max is means max. So currently max is 4 and current price is 3, and mean is 1. So 4, in between 4 and 2, it's becoming 4. Still now my maximum profit is 4. So let's go for fifth iteration. So here mean is 1, it is coming from here, and current price is 4. So in between 1 and 4, it is 1, and max is max equal to 4, max equal to 4, and current price is 6, mean is equal to 1. So 4, in between 4 and 5, it is becoming 5. So up to that iteration, my maximum profit is 5. So let's for sixth iteration. Sixth iteration, mean is 1 and current number is 4. This is, so in between 1 and 4, it is 1, and max is coming from here, it is 5, and current number is 4, and minimum is 1. So in between 5 and 3, it is 5. So I am showing you every iteration. Hope it will give you a better understanding and it will become crystal clear. I found no videos like that explaining everything in detail, every iteration. So it will be very handy, hopeful. So if you don't like the video, subscribe the video, don't share the video. I will lost my enthu and stop the videos. Okay. So if you wanna me that I would continue this series up to 1000, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected, and share the videos. Okay. So time and space complexities, big O of n and big O of 1 is because we are running only on loop, and how much you are increasing the inputs, variables are still 2. So that's why space complexity is 1. So let's dive into the code. I have done the code, but no problem, I am doing with you once again. Okay, so bar max profit equal to function prices bar mean equal to number equal to max safe integer bar max equal to 0. Okay, for bar equal to running the loop equal to I less than prices dot length I plus plus. Sorry, there should be I equal to 0. Okay, so now time to update the mean and max. Okay, so math dot mean prices I max equal to math.max max prices dot I minus mean. This is the logic, okay? Almost like a theory. So now it's time to return the max. Return max. Okay, so let prices 1, as we have two test cases. So I'm bringing the number from here. So I'm giving it price 1. So console.log max profit prices on. Now we hope it will give us the expected result. Note is on this base time. It's giving 6. Why is there wrong? Sorry, I have given here 1 instead of I. That's the problem. There is a bit of typo, no worries. So note 1 to 1. Yeah, we are getting 5. So 5 is the ultimate output. You see, it's 5. Okay. So if we run the another test case, say this one, this profit will be 0. It's because say you are buying stock at 7, but in the following days it is decreasing. So no chance to gain profit. Okay. But here it is decreasing or increasing. It is mixed. But here everything is decreasing. So no way to gain profit. Okay. So let prices, let's say true. Something wrong. Yeah, it's 0. So we are getting the expected output. And after this code, you will, if you come here and see my explanation, everything will be crystal clear, and you will get a good graphs, good understanding. So if it will be a wonderful journey. Stay tuned, stay connected, like, share, and subscribe the video, and let your friends or fellow coders know that about this channel. I hope it will be a wonderful journey. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.